Hey folks, I'm going to walk you through how to solve one of these titration equations. The first thing you're going to want to do is just write out this equation right here just to get it set up and wrap your mind around it. Once you've written that down, the next thing I like to do is just identify the variables that I know. So this is asking what is the unknown concentration of my acid. So we're looking for the molarity of my acid. If I titrate 20 milliliters of it, it takes 22.54 milliliters of 0.04 molar sodium hydroxide to neutralize it. So my molarity of my acid is unknown. My volume of my acid is 20 milliliters. So we're going to have to convert that to liters. So remember, there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So this would be 0.020 liters. Now we move on to the base. The molarity of my base, I'm told, is 0.04 molar, 0.004 molar sodium hydroxide. And then the volume of my base, we're going to need to write it in liters. The volume of my base is 22.54, and we're going to have to convert that to liters. So that's 0.02254. So now I've identified all my variables. And now what I like to do, instead of plugging it in and then rearranging, I like solving for my unknown variable first, isolating it, and then plugging in my values. So let's isolate Ma on one side. We're going to do this by dividing both sides by V sub A. So that'll give us the molarity of the acid is equal to the product of the molarity of the base and the volume of the base divided by the volume of the acid. So now once we've got this set up, we can plug in our values. So this becomes Ma is equal to the molarity of base, which is 0.004 molar, times the volume of the base, which is 0.02254, liters. Let's put the liter in, I guess. Divided by the 0.020 liters. All right, once you've got this set up, all it really takes is plugging these values in. So I'm going to take my 0.004, multiply it by 0.022.02254, and then divide that by 0.020. And I get my molarity of my acid is, oops, it just went away, 0.005, 0.0045. Don't forget the units, that's molarity, and that's the molarity of the acid. Hope this helped. Swing into tutoring if you guys need any help with this.